Go ahead and scoot towards the edge of our chair. And to start, we're just going to do our alternating marches just to get our body nice and warmed up here. Really trying to control that leg movement the entire time, right? Trying to get that knee up nice and high before we come all the way down. So controlling that movement on both directions, nice and controlled. Good. Let's go ahead and we'll pause on that one. We're going to warm up our knees now with our alternating leg extensions, just to get a little bit of blood flow through that area, try to help some of that circulation that often goes down a lot when we're sitting all day. So just getting that area fired up for our next few portions. Good. Nice and straight with those knees, back and forth. Very nice. Okay, we're going to go back to our marches. So what we're going to do is back to the alternating march. But the catch with this one is we're going to add a twist into this. So we're trying to extend or straighten our arm across that one leg. So it's opposite arm, opposite leg, right arm to left arm to right leg, etc., etc. Trying to extend and get a nice good turn on both directions. Good. Brownie points if you can control that movement for a second on both sides before coming back down, back, and easy. Good. Go ahead and rest for just a second. We're going to do that same motion, same movement, but we're going to do it for 10 seconds as quickly as we can, okay? So I'll kind of show you. It's just going to be nice and fast, just a little bit higher tempo to get our heart rate up a little bit, okay? 10 fast seconds. Ready, set, go. See how quickly you can move. Just move those arms, move those legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Take a breath. Make sure you're feeling okay. We're going to scoot towards the edge of our chair now. Warm up our hips and lower back a little bit. Take your right hand, and then what we're going to do is try to touch it on our left toe, okay, all the way down. And then what we're going to do is reach back and up against our body. So I'm thinking about reaching backwards, twisting my body while reaching up, okay? That's 1. We're going to do 4 more. All the way down, touch, and then all the way back, just making sure we're getting a nice twist on both directions. That's the big key here. We're trying to get a little bit of twist through our lower back to allow our body to mobilize. Here's 4, reach, good. Last 1 and 5, big far reach, very nice. Go ahead and pivot back. We're going to do the other hand now, reaching all the way down towards that toe, opposite toe, and then all the way up. Again, the big thing to remember here is a twist through the core. So making sure we're reaching all the way back while reaching up. 2 big motions here. 2 more, all the way down and up. Very nice. Down and up. Very good. Very nice. Okay, what we're going to do next here is some side-to-side hops in our chair. Scoot towards the edge of your chair for the front. You're going to be grabbing the side of your chair like so, and we're going to go slow at first, not really focusing on where our feet are going. We're just going to be focusing on moving quickly, okay? So do your best to see if you can just get a slight shuffle. Even a little bit's better than nothing. And now we're going to do 10 seconds as quickly as you can. Try to go back and forth, fast, fast, fast. Move those feet. Try to get a nice spring off the ground. You can kind of think of it like you're jumping. Spring, go, go, and break. Very nice, very nice. We're going to go right into going forward and backwards. Same exact concept. 10 seconds, nice and slow at first, just to get the feeling of it, just to get kind of that motor pattern down. Nice and controlled. 10 seconds now as quickly as we can, just like last time, forward and backward. Nice spring in your step. Go, 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 go. And break. Very nice. Take a big breath. Make sure we're feeling okay. We're going to work the side of our core a little bit. And how we're going to do that is with a side lean. So with both hands to the side like so, what we are going to do. And if you can't get your arms up, that's okay. Just have them to the side. We're still going to be reaching towards that direction. Let's all lean towards this side to begin, okay? So what you're going to do is just actively think about reaching towards the side while keeping your shoulders kind of parallel to the ground. That's the big thing here. So actively leaning, basically all your weight should be in one of your butt cheeks right now. That's kind of a way to think about it. If you're all the way over here, you're really going to feel this through your core muscle. We got 5 more seconds. Keep reaching a little bit further. A little bit. Yeah, good. I can see nice little lean. Good. Go ahead and relax. We're going to repeat on the other side. Same exact thing. Nice far reach. We hung out about 20 to 30 seconds there, so we're going to try the same thing. Again, nice far reach first. Remember, shoulders parallel. That's where you can get tricky here. Try to keep them as parallel as you can. Give me one more big far reach as far as you comfortably can. Really challenge yourself here. And relax. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Last little core exercise warm-up we're going to do is our chair lean back. So go ahead and scoot towards the edge of your chair. And actually how we're going to make this a little more challenging today, we're going to stick 1 foot out. Okay, step 1, and then step 2, this is going to be the challenging part, is to lean back in your chair very slightly, and then try to lean up with your core. So the further towards the edge of your chair, if I'm all the way towards the edge, it's going to be really challenging on my core muscles. Try to go back nice and slow, and then use your tummy to allow you to sit up. Good. The slower and controlled, the better. Good. Nice and controlled. Up. Good. You might be feeling a little bit of burn through that muscle right now. That's great. That's your hip flexor doing some work. Good. Let's go ahead and repeat on the other side. So kick that other leg out. Same exact thing towards the edge of your chair. Lean back as slow and controlled as you can go. Lean and up. Very nice. I think I did 4 on that first one, so we'll try to repeat slow and controlled here. Should feel this through your tummy, through your leg a little bit. Nice and easy. 3. Very nice. One more very slow and controlled repetition wherever we're at, all the way back. Good. And sit up. Very nice. Take a breath. We're going to move